2-in-1 functional wheelchair bed. Today let's introduce our special design, wheelchair bed. The 2-in-1 wheelchair bed is disassembly in the package. We just need to connect each parts with several steps. In order to facilitate the installation of the user, we purposely designed buckle and marble. This makes it easy to install without tools. The installation of wheelchair part is easier. We just need to ensure that each buckle is well contacted and inserted. The surface of seat cover and bed cover is waterproof and dustproof. More durable and easier to keep clean. Actually, we also supply updated voice control version. More convenient for those patients staying home alone. We supply detailed PDF or video installation manual after you receive the package. Yuteng Med wheelchair bed makes easy life.